Good morning, everyone. I'm Andrew, and I don't want to work anymore. And we're going to make that happen here on my channel with day trading on the NASDAQ. And let's just jump into the charts right away. It's a beautiful Monday morning. Went to the gym, had a great workout. And also, I've been back testing a strategy all weekend. And I'm happy to report that I have some great numbers to share. Just using the ICT first presented fair value gap strategy after 9:30 a.m. on New York time, we have 90 trades, 51 wins, 39 losses, 2,086 points, and a 56.67% win-loss ratio with an average of 23 points per day. Now that seems fine and dandy. It's not that great, but it is a winning and profitable strategy. But I found a way to squeeze 63 points a day out of that. And so I only have enough data for 58 trades, but 25 wins, 33 losses, 3697 points, and 43% win-loss ratio. But like I said, 63 points per day. You guys do the math. That's really something to be excited about. But let's get into our charts. We have a minute before the market opens, and our closing price on Friday was somewhere around 19,955. Let's get that on our chart here. There goes the first candle's going to print right now. So we gotta get moving here. There it is. Right about there. I make him purple. And what did I say? 19,955. 19,955. So that's way down here. 19,955. What? Holy cow, what a premium. We gapped up huge. 952. Close enough. Anyway, that is our opening week gap right there. And it's a mega sized one. On the right side, we have a 5-minute chart with the Wilders moving average, a close below him, and I'm usually in like a dirty shirt, and I think that's what's going to happen today. We're going to get set up for a short. We will still wait for the first presented fair value gap, but I believe that is going to come pretty quick. And there's one even right there that we're working up into. But we want the first one after 9:30 before we get too excited here. That's the model. And I think we're going to get it pretty quick. So we will wait and be patient. But I think we got a large opening range to work with. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Like I said, I spent most of it here on the computer, especially yesterday, Sunday. I was back testing like crazy, and I love the looks of this new strategy. Yeah, I think for the year it was, I have to double check, but I think it was over 15,000 points, I think. Well, let's do the math real quick. Actually, I'll do it on the screen for you. Say we had 250 trading days in a year times 63 points per day. That's 15,750 points per year. Let's divide that by 12. 1,300 points a month. What is that? Well, 63 times 5. 315 points per week. I can get behind that math any day. But you know what? I am looking for shorts. We are in a crazy premium here. We have just been going up. I am not interested in going for a long, even though my model says that I should be. I think we're going to take out some highs up here, and then we're going to turn lower. So, yeah, that's what I'm looking for. And I'll wait for that. But like I said, the model, if you traded this and you lost, no big deal. You would still be in crazy profit. So yeah, we don't have a gap yet anyway. But they swept some liquidity here, right? If you were going to get onto this first fair value gap, you were denied. So we will remove that one. Lots of volatility today. We are all over the place. This wick on this candle is dirty. Man, I don't like that. Okay, I think we're finally going to start moving down. 5 points above this one is 20,272, so that's 277. And we are looking for a gap in here at the moment. We'll see if we get one here. It's getting smaller and smaller. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think we're going to get this one, guys. We're in. Okay. We have one position on. I don't know what. There it is. Our stop loss is 45 points. Meaning 45 times 1.5, no, 1.5 equals 67 points. Let's draw that out. No, that's not how I want to do that. Oh, there it is. 67 points. So that's my first profit target. We're right down there. Okay. No big deal. Yeah, we're going to come up to halfway on this big wick at least. Oh, or even take me out, one or the other. Okay, that's a losing trade, boys and girls. We can try to take one more. Now that we've swept these highs, I'm still looking for a short. What's going on here? Trade from chart, short. Oh, there's my stop loss way up here. 287, 287, 92. We will wait for an inversion fair value gap on this first one here then. Like I said, look at this. We've been going up forever. And we need to retrace. I guess it could just keep going up, but you know, looks like it's running out of steam since it's closed below the Wilders, but we need to start coming down now. There's this gap here, which is also worth noting up at the top. So if we close below this gap, I'm going to take an entry. And I'm looking for work all the way to the downside. And my risk is pretty small up here too. So far it's respecting that gap. Got about 15 seconds left on this candle. So we got a couple gaps here that we can play off of. There's also this one in here. But if it closes below this lower one, which now has an overlapping gap as well, that is like for sure a great entry. And then we have a little one up here too. Then we can bring our stop to here. But this is rolling over real fast. Five seconds left. I'm gonna go in on that. We can get rid of all this noise now. This is the first one. And the market is green today, folks. Let's see what we got. Yahoo Finance. My watch list. Lots of green today. Except Alibaba. Alibaba's down. This is a great time to get in. It's been consolidating. It almost feels like 2 weeks now. Maybe even longer. And this is just giving people a chance to get in before we go to the 180. Palantir's on the move again. Misty, I'm super happy about that. $22. We're getting back up there, up 3.5%. Bitcoin's up. Intel is about flat. I think my cost base is around $25. XRP, CPS, Cooper Standard. Yeah, this looks good. This is start moving. Oh, and Comstock Resources at 20. These look great. And what do we got? We are still looking pretty good here. All these picks, these are Tom Hayes picks, except Palantir and Misty. He does not recommend these, but almost everything else here are all Tom Hayes picks. If you don't know who Tom Hayes is and you like investing in stocks, you better go look this guy up. He's the one that's really talking the truth and cutting through all the noise. So we got Generac, Advanced Auto Parts, Intel, Albemarle, which is a lithium play, Alibaba, Cooper Standard, Comstock Resources, and PayPal. He also likes VTF Corp, or sorry, VF Corp. Oh, I just got taken out. Okay, that's 2 losses in a row today, guys, and we're gonna just keep it there and shut it down for today. I am still looking for lower prices, but looks like I should have been waiting more patiently to get below the first presented fair value gap. And yeah, they just did a liquidity sweep there on that candle. So dirty. I haven't seen something like that in a really long time. But anyway, good luck trading if you guys are going to stay on the computer. I'm going to take my dog for a walk. It's a balmy 12 degrees outside, and it's not raining right now. So you guys have a good day. Enjoy the rest of your week. I'll catch you tomorrow.